1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn.
Yes! Yes!
The second time is totally shocking. The first time's like, okay, I just did that. Second time's like,
It's Spencer trying to start a fire.
Oh yeah, 'cause this is the way I do it every day and all night too. Okay, we're doing a steam pit dinner, so we got our hole dug and put some rocks in there, started the fire, got the rocks hot, pulled the fire out, then we put in some cattails for moisture to steam our food. We have our food all cut up in the pillowcase, and now we're going to cover that up with another layer of grass and bark and dirt and let it cook.
The rock oven, getting it ready to bake the bread for tonight.
come on, my sailors.
You hit it!
I know.
Ah! Okay, we're taking the bread out, opening the rock oven. Ooh, it's beautiful.
Looks a lot bigger than last year's.
That's what you did.
Pretty, huh?
It's gorgeous. It's the best loaf yet.
Still hot there?
Yeah, it's still hot, yeah. Because this is the way
Like right after lunch.
I do it every day. And all night too.
What you doing, Zane?
Making a pineapple upside down cake. Just mixing in the cake mix right now.
Looks yummy.
Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm trying to get my fire started by making a tent first and then putting my tinder bundle inside of it and hopefully lighting it.
How many chances do you have?
Oh, I think one.
We're doing a one-match fire. They get one chance to get it going.
Darn it. Let me set this.
What's yours? I just want to light this on fire. Dude, look at those 3 sticks. 4.
Uh-oh.
Oh, gosh. Yeah, I know. Zane's is like short.
Mine's like that big around, that tall.
I can't believe mine actually worked.
Mine took a long time to get going, but it...
And there's my fire. I got a great fire going. Finally.
Hey guys, you might want to
Orion.
watch this one that Orion's about to light here.
Orion's getting ready.
I think we got it. Are you using my fire?
I started 2 fires.
Trying to still start my second. We got a head start on the camera.
Let it go. Let it go. Don't.
Good time yet?
You guys watching these needles? The juniper, dead juniper here?
The dead burns faster.
Okay, don't singe your eyebrows.
If you guys don't get it pretty quickly, I'm going to yell free for all, and you can move around as much as you want inside the road. 4, 5.
Come on, Kenzie.
Kenzie, go, go, go. Oh, no. Oh, that got her.
Girl step.
You have to walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey, you cheated again. You
Don't.
Foot.
Put it in your mouth and then spit.
1.
Dude, I'm gonna load like 4.
Right? Free for all!
What? What does that mean? No! Where would I go?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn.
Spencer, oh no.
Haley took the biggest step in the world.
Everyone on this side has.
Except for missing it.
Don't jump when you shoot. That makes it inaccurate.
Yeah, it didn't hit.
Free for all!
Go, 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 go!
Hey!